At LAXAI, we are more than just a contract research, development, and manufacturing organization, CRDMO. We're a trusted partner to small molecule biotech companies, providing seamless support from target validation all the way to IND-enabling studies, clinical supplies, and commercial manufacturing. We offer highly complex custom development, synthesis, and manufacturing of intermediates and specialty chemicals to global companies. Operating through two core divisions, discovery services and manufacturing services, we provide comprehensive end-to-end solutions that ensure success at every stage of drug development. Innovation starts with our discovery services, where we utilize cutting-edge infrastructure to provide a full spectrum of support. From in silico design to target validation, our state-of-the-art facilities enable comprehensive medicinal chemistry, biology, supported by analytical capabilities. We offer robust DMPK and toxicology services and bioanalytical infrastructure, facilitating ADME, PK, in vitro, and in vivo studies that are crucial for supporting drug discovery programs. Our world-class infrastructure includes fume hoods from Wallner, Germany, and the latest analytical and purification instruments, all designed to support high throughput. Our expertise spans advanced therapeutic modalities such as PROTACs, molecular glues, antibody-drug conjugates, and chemistries such as nucleoside chemistry, carbohydrate chemistry, boron chemistry. We also specialize in CRISPR-based cell development, kinase inhibitor design, and high-throughput screening, accelerating the programs of biotech companies through innovative approaches. LAXAI Manufacturing Services operates from GMP-certified site that includes process R&D, analytical, process safety, process engineering, a kilo lab, a pilot plant, and commercial manufacturing blocks, audited by regulatory authorities including US FDA, EDQM, PMDA, and other regulatory authorities. We manage process development, tech transfer, validation, and commercial manufacturing of regulatory starting materials, key starting materials, intermediates, and active pharmaceutical ingredients for clinical and commercial supplies. Our manufacturing site is equipped with cryogenic capabilities below -90 degrees Celsius, high-temperature reactions above 180 degrees Celsius, high-pressure hydrogenation reactors up to 100 bar, and continuous flow manufacturing systems. We excel in scaling complex synthetic processes, including stereoselective synthesis, nitration, bromination, deuteration, and advanced purification techniques, ensuring that every molecule we manufacture meets the highest quality standards. At LAXAI, we have unique capabilities in handling complex and high-energy chemistry under safe and sustainable conditions using automation, SCADA systems, and other technologies. Our facility includes 8 production blocks, 5 clean rooms, and a dedicated continuous flow manufacturing unit at pilot scale, allowing us to support seamless progression from discovery to clinical and commercial stages. LAXAI is helping global companies de-risk their supply chains by creating a 100% indigenous sustainable supply within India. This initiative ensures continuity, reliability, and security for our partners across the globe. Employee welfare and safety, quality, and customer excellence are the cornerstones of our operations. We adhere to strict environment, health, and safety standards, conduct regular audits, and responsibly manage hazardous materials to ensure a safe working environment for our employees and a sustainable approach to the environment. Quality is at the heart of everything we do at LAXAI. From our state-of-the-art infrastructure to our rigorous processes, we ensure precision, consistency, and reliability in every project. We're proud to offer tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of each client. We believe in fostering long-lasting, transparent, and collaborative relationships that lead to successful outcomes. At LAXAI, we don't just deliver results. We build partnerships that span the entire drug development journey, from discovery to development and commercial manufacturing. Our integrated services ensure that you achieve your goals at every stage of the drug development lifecycle with the highest standards of quality and reliability. LAXAI is your trusted partner in providing the expertise, infrastructure, and commitment needed to bring novel treatments to market efficiently and safely.